Hey loves, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys are doing well and staying safe. For today's video, I have another hair video for you guys. I know that you guys love these. I currently am, I believe, a month post-relaxer, I want to say. About 4 weeks post-relaxer. So this is going to be a really short and simple video, and it's going to be a review, which you guys love as well. If you are new here, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and join the family. I upload beauty, fashion, lifestyle, hair, food, budget, all types of videos here on my channel. So if any of that interests you, I would love for you to stick around by subscribing. Also, while you're down there, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Let me know what you guys are up to during this quarantine. Like I've said before, I am an essential worker, so I have been working this entire time. I work in the medical field, and it's been a lot. But I hope that you guys are well, and let's go ahead and get right into this video. Okay, so for this video, I am going to be reviewing this Mega Thick Intense Repair Rebuilding Thickening Treatment by Do Grow. I love the Do Grow Mega Thick, I think it's Mega Thick Oil. Helps thicken and strengthen with aloe vera, protein, and shea butter, rebuilds and helps repair damage, promotes thick, strong, healthy hair, helps reduce breakage, allowing hair to grow longer. All things that I love. So it says, Do Grow Mega Thick Intense Repair. Let me move my mic a little closer. Helps promote thick, strong hair enriched with aloe vera, shea butter, and botanical thickeners to provide hair with the necessary ingredients needed for deep repair of damaged hair. Moisturizes and strengthens weak, damaged hair. Great for all hair types, including natural, color-treated, bleach, weaved, braided, and relaxed. So, I am so excited to try this out. Let's go ahead and open her up. Let's see what she's smelling like. Ooh, it's like a pretty blue color. How cute. I love that. I love when things are like cute. Okay, it doesn't smell bad. It almost smells fruity? Florally. Floral. It's definitely floral. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my Y2 comb and itch. Does the nape of your neck ever just itch out of nowhere? Because mine does. But, I'm just going to go ahead and just run my comb through it really quick. This comb is from Paul Mitchell. I got this off of Amazon, and I love it so much. It just makes detangling so easy, and I'm just in love with it right now. So, like I said, I'm only like 4 weeks post-relaxer or so, I want to say. Okay. Look how easy it was to detangle my hair with this comb. I will have it linked down below for you guys, as always. Okay. So, that's as much shedding as I had. It's like a few strands, which is amazing. Okay. So, I'm just going to go ahead. I only have one clip over here right now because my other one broke. So, it'll be fine. Let me just maybe try and part this and meet it over here maybe, if I could. No? I feel like I struggle every video with getting my hair to stay up. Nope. And then maybe taking this side and meeting it at the top just to get it out of my, just to get it out of my face, you know? That'll do. Okay, so I have my spray bottle here. I will link this down below for you guys. Also from Amazon. So let's go ahead and I'm just going to detangle this section a little. let's go ahead and add it in. So I will show you guys the consistency. Like I said, it is blue, which is so cool. And it's pretty thick. It's not runny at all. I'm excited. Let's go ahead and add it in. So this says protein and moisturizing. So I'm excited to see how it does with both. Also, excuse my makeup, guys. It is currently 5:30 and I have had this makeup on all day. I filmed like 3 videos today. So this makeup is long gone. And plus I had my head in the sink. Oh, I'll tell you guys, I used my Care shampoo and conditioner as always. I just cannot get enough of it. Okay, so this is feeling very, very protein. You guys can see my hair is pretty stiff. Let me see what happens if I like spray it. Because sometimes it's just stiff, like with protein treatments and stuff, if your hair isn't damp enough. But no, this one is definitely just thick. So I'm just taking a little bit more and applying it to my roots. And I'm just going to go ahead and braid this section up like so. I'm going to wash this out in the shower. I'm like, where's my clip? It's over here. Just because it's going to be easier for me. So when I wash my hair in the shower, I go ahead and separate it into 4 sections. And I just find that to be the easiest for me, because it keeps my hair detangled and everything I find just works better. Watching my budget videos, I highly recommend them. They're really a good time. I am enjoying it so much. Like I said in my first one, I'll have it linked up here. I think it is up here or up here. That I used to upload Plan With Me's on my channel, if you guys have been around that long. Because I was like a real planner girl. Like I would get the stickers and plan my weeks on Sunday nights, and it was one of my like favorite things to do. It honestly, 1, got very expensive, and 2, once I graduated, I just really, 1, didn't have a lot to plan, but 2, I just stopped planning with stickers, so I felt like it wasn't as exciting, you know, just to watch someone write in their planner. But I feel like with budget planning and cash stuffing and all that stuff, it actually has like a really big benefit. Whereas like with planning, like you're just planning your day-to-day life and everything, which is, you know, like can be essential, especially if you're like a busy mom or everything like that. But I just felt for me, like I really don't plan anymore besides like my YouTube videos, just because I'm at work 9 to 5, so there's really no need for me to, you know, write down what I'm doing, because I'm doing the same thing pretty much every day. And the majority of my day is at work, so I would just be writing down like what I have to eat and stuff like that. So I just find that it's not so necessary anymore. I'm sure like once I have a family and, you know, a husband and everything like that, I'll get back into it, because I do love it. It's just so therapeutic, and I feel like I was kind of missing it from my life, and that's why I got into the budget planning. And guys, like I watched budget videos for so long before deciding to make them. I really started watching them once I started my new job that I started in February. It's just like I was, you know, finally like full time and you know, making like a good amount, that I was like, I don't want to waste this money and, you know, not know where it's going, not know what to do with it and everything like that. So, and I think it's great that I'm getting like such a head start because I'm only 25, and I feel like by the time I'm like 30, 35, I'll have such like a good handle on my money. And I feel like with so many people, especially nowadays, like millennials and stuff, like they don't know the value of a dollar. But like, I think it's just a great adjustment for me. And I'm sorry if I'm talking about it like in every video, but I'm just super excited. It's like a new venture here on my channel, and doing something new is always really exciting. So yeah, but like I said, I hope you guys are doing well. Have you guys watched, I love the show Mob Wives. Drita was like my spirit animal. I love her so much. I was so sad when the show didn't come back. But I literally spent, I don't remember which winter break was, but I was in college, and I literally watched all of the seasons of Mob Wives and just, you know, binged it for a whole week. It was winter break, so it was like between Christmas and New Year's, and I just binged the heck out of that show, and I just loved it. It was so funny. And not funny, but like just really good. I just love Drita so much. But now on MTV, they have this new show, and one of the girls who was on the show, Karen Gravano, it's about it's called Family Mafia, something like that. I don't remember the exact name, but it comes on MTV. Mob Wives came on VH1. So it's all about like people who've been in the mob and, you know, been arrested and all that stuff, and it's just really good. So now it's more about like Karen and her daughter, who is like, I think she's 21 now. Yeah, because she was drinking in the intro, unless, you know, MTV promotes underage drinking. But yeah, so I love that show. Of course, Grey's Anatomy, How to Get Away with Murder. Have you guys been watching it? It's almost over. It's on the last few episodes, which I'm so sad because it's such a good show. And I love Viola Davis like so much. But I just rambled through putting all that conditioner in my hair. I usually fast forward, but I just wanted to chat with you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and let this sit for about 15 minutes. I'm going to take a shower actually and rinse this out. And I will be back to show you guys the finished results and how I feel about this conditioner. Okay guys, I am back. It has been much longer than I told you guys I was gonna be away. I ended up having dinner, and then time just got away from me. So this was in my hair for probably like an hour instead of just 20 minutes. So we're just going to unravel and see what we're working with. My hair honestly feels really good, you guys. Like, I didn't really have high hopes for this just because my hair felt so hard going into it, but as you guys can see, I'm literally detangling, running my comb through it like a breeze. Like, this is crazy. And my hair does feel strong, but it does feel moisturized as well. It doesn't feel super like you know how after like a hard protein treatment that is like just super crazy on your skin, it doesn't feel like that. It just feels like I did like a light protein treatment. Maybe I added some oils to it, but my hair definitely feels really nice. I'm really enjoying the way that this is feeling. Okay, so it does have directions. I didn't read the directions earlier because your girl doesn't read directions very well, but it says after shampooing, generously apply Dew Grow Mega Thick Intense Repair to wet, damp, or towel dried hair. Gently finger comb or massage through hair. Leave on 1 to 3 minutes. For deeper conditioning, leave on 5 to 15 minutes. Use of heat cap, plastic cap, or hot towel will increase effectiveness but is not required. Rinse hair thoroughly. Style as usual. For best results, use the family of Dew Grow products. So I do think that this worked really well with in conjunction with my Carrot Care hair line, because that shampoo and conditioner, which is the moisturizing shampoo and conditioner for color treated hair, just makes my wash day so easy and so just amazing. Like, look how easily I'm running my comb through. I am loving this. I didn't think I was going to like it so much, but it's more moisturizing than I thought it was going to be, which is really, really nice, because I thought that it was going to leave my hair feeling like brittle, and I was just going to have to go through my week with kind of like really protein strong hair, which is not a bad thing, but sometimes, you know, like when you want your hair to be moisturized, you don't necessarily want it to be like hard protein, you know. Really enjoyed this. Let me know if you guys have tried this conditioner down below. I would love to hear your thoughts on it. It just, wow, my hair feels really good. Like I said, I am going to air dry just because I don't have the time, honestly, or the energy to sit under my blow dryer and do my rollers and everything. Your girl just doesn't have it in her. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'm sorry. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I upload videos twice a week here on my channel. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. I hope you guys are doing well, and I will talk to you in my next one very soon. I love you, girls. Mwah. Bye.